Hello, this is Professor Halsey, and I want to welcome you to CEIS150 Module 3. You've made it this far, and if you're feeling a little queasy, just hang in there because we're going to continue to build upon what we learned in Module 2 this week. Before we get going into that, I want to ask how you are liking the 3-question videos for your first post. It's an experiment on my part. So my first question this week is going to be, do you or do you not like the videos? In fact, I'll make it a true-false question. I do like the videos, and we'll say true if you do like the videos, and false if you don't like the videos, okay? And like I said, Module 3 this week, we're going to look and delve a little bit more into what we learned last week. So if you were feeling a little shaky about last week, that's okay. We're going to continue to practice what we learned last week and then build a little bit on it, a little bit more this week as we go through this. So the important thing to remember is what we're doing here is creating a class template. That's the first step that we always do. We create that new class template, and then we use that template to instantiate or create a new object. So instantiation, and we're going to look at that term again this week, is just creating that new object. All right, so hope you have a great week. If not, reach out to me with any questions. Thank you.